This is the mobile home Alida Kay says she's paid $4,400 for. But recently when she came to close the deal, she says the homeowner threatened her with a gun and told her the home is no longer for sale.
When you see her, like an elderly person, like they inspire respect. Like you don't think they're gonna be ripping you off.
Kay thought she had found a great bargain when she found the trailer for sale for just $5,500. She took out 2 loans with interest and her year's worth savings to make the payments in hopes of relocating the trailer to a property she purchased on another side of town. Kay says the 65-year-old homeowner was sweet and helpful when they first agreed on the sale, but things took a turn for the worse during a recent visit.
We were talking and then she said, I'm going to show you something a little. She opened a wooden box and she said, I don't let nobody take advantage of me and I know where to shoot you right in the leg. I'm going to kill you. And I just got scared and I backed off.
Kay filed a police report and just wants her money back, but claims the gun-wielding grandma is not budging, refusing to turn over the mobile home or the money Kay paid.
She just told the police right off, I'm not going to give her money back. She could take me to court. I'm not selling it after all, just like that. Because she says she's an elderly, the law's on her side, and nothing's going to happen to her.
This ordeal not only set her back more than $4,000, but also forced her to shut down her business for about 2 weeks.
2 months behind on rent. I have my bills too. I have to pay the loans. It's like the $2,000, more than $2,000 of interest, and then she's not giving me anything, like what people shouldn't get away with. Plus, I don't want it to happen to more people.
The homeowner was not here for comment. However, Brownsville Police confirms she recently filed a report against Kay for phone harassment. We'll keep you posted with any new details in this case. Reporting from Brownsville, Daisy Martinez, Action 4 News.